Hello friends, and welcome back to my studio. Thank you so much for joining us for another episode of Pouring Coast to Coast. And a big welcome to Michelle Galley. She is our newest member of the team, and we are just so happy to have her. She's joining us from Michigan now. So today's challenge was set by Christine, and it was a color chart, which I'm going to put up in the video somewhere. And there were colors corresponding with our birth month. Mine was yellow, and it was just a very basic premise of we have to use that color in a prominent way in a swipe. So I am getting ready to leave town for a couple of weeks, so I'm trying to use up some paints in my studio that are already mixed. So I settled on a landscape. And I'm going to do it a little non-traditional. Instead of doing it long ways with the sky up top and land below or whatever, I'm going to do it horizontal with the sky and land. And I'm going to use the yellow in the land part. And yeah, let's come on down. I'll show you the colors and we'll get to pouring. Here we are with the colors. So for the land part, this is white mixed with Soho Terra Verte and a little bit of emerald green. And then this is emerald green mixed with Terra Verte mixed with a little bit of black. This is Indian Hue Yellow. It's a historic pigment. For sky, I have Golden Payne's Gray, Golden Phthalo Blue. I think this is Artist Loft White. It's just a basic white, titanium white. And then a little bit of Permanent Violet Deep. I'm going for that kind of sunrisey sort of color. And then I also have Iridescent Gold from Golden. And I might use a little bit of that in the sky part and the earth part. So, yeah, let's see what we can make here. So after I went through my paints, one of my dearest friends, April, called me up and asked if she could come over to paint. And I thought this was a great idea. So since I had stuff already set up to go, I just waited for a little bit till she got over here, and I did this painting with her. Now, I'm doing a lot of this video at 2x speed because we try to keep our videos under 15 minutes for our Pouring Coast to Coast collab. So if you would be interested in seeing this whole video at regular speed with all of the talk through that I did with April, leave me a note in the comments below and I can definitely make that available if there's enough interest in it. It ends up being about 25 minutes, but there's lots of talk through that I go through with color theory as well as why I'm tilting the way I'm tilting and doing the things that I'm doing.
Watching you was such a thrill. All that I could do was laugh. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it back.
How do you decide what?
So it's a landscape that is going to be kind of a sunsetty sort of thing. So I want more gold in the center and a little bit of the violet, and then I want the deeper greens to this side and the deeper blues to that side.
Okay.
That one. Furthest one down. And you're going to flip. Where? On that corner. Yep. That's okay. That's okay. Take the next one. Same thing. Same spot. watch how I do this. I'm gonna pull this way just a little bit, and then like that. Actually, that should have come more that way. So just do that.
So pull it this way.
Ooh, that's fine. Now put it in that corner.
With the cuff.
Yep, upside down, so that I get all the good stuff. Same thing this one.
Depositing it on one side.
That's okay.
That works.
Here. Switch sides. There we go. Yep, that's fine. Or here, actually, let's put it down here. Now. There we go. See how I keep it by the canvas?
Kind of.
Yeah.
Something I'm lifting
So
up
next
more.
one. That's okay. Okay. So now we're just going to get rid of all of these. And just to kind of create a little more movement in it, I'm just kind of smear, smear, smear. Smear, smear, smear.
Is that a technical term?
Yes, totally technical.
Silver moon, dancing like a maniac. Then we raced each other to the room. All that I could do was laugh. All that I could hold it back. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it back.
Put this in here.
Now, we put that in the paint.
We did. It's
the
just
photos
kind of,
just not
yeah,
showing up
it's
well.
not showing up as much as I want. So I need one of these. So, and I'm going to let you do this too. So. So I'm just barely laying this on, kind of flat. Moving that across, and then wipe it off. So do that and start kind of here and go over.
How far? Like,
However far it seems like you should. Just go lighter than you think you need to go, because otherwise you'll sink through to the canvas. It's okay. A little extra is okay. Perfect. Wipe it up. There you go. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go the other direction.
have you used up all your paper towels?
I could go through so much paper towel. And then do one more. Kind of starting here and going that way.
Here.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Okay. And then I think I'm gonna do a little bit of white. I'm going to break up some of these bigger sections of blue.
Coffee in a paper cup. The engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me, let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the
So after I do the swipes, if you tilt it just a little more, it kind of lets everything vary a little bit easier, so it doesn't look like
You did swipe.
yeah, exactly. So go from that side, pull it this way a little bit. Don't touch this side. There you go. Perfect.
with branches low.
Now, there's not as much weight on the canvas, so it's going to take a little bit longer, but just like stay right there. It's tempting to want to pull it up higher and get more gravity, but then it gets like wonky, so.
My hand in his so patiently. We watch from our proud little tree. He hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake. The jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near. The leaves would fall like paper tears.
Here we are with the dried results. Really, really happy with this. Very pretty landscape. The yellow got eaten up just a little bit, but overall, I think this is a really pretty piece. Love that blue sky area. Kind of wish the violet had showed up a little bit more, but all in all, I think it's a very pretty piece, and it was a lot of fun to do with my friend April, so thank you so much for joining me.